Hi, I'm Madeline, and I'm here to introduce you to Cricut Maker 4, the next generation of our most powerful and versatile smart cutting machine. Whether you're just starting out or ready to go big with your crafting, Cricut Maker 4 is designed to take your creativity to the next level. So, what makes Cricut Maker 4 different? It's compatible with 13 different tools, so it doesn't just cut. It can also engrave, score, deboss, and perforate. Plus, Cricut Maker 4 works with over 300 materials, which is 200 more than our Cricut Explore machines. So you can make a huge range of projects. Of course, you can easily make quick everyday crafts just like stickers, vinyl decals, or shirts, just like our other machines, or you can level up and create with more advanced materials, cutting everything from delicate silk fabric to basswood to engraving metal or acrylic and debossing leather, all with incredible precision. Whether you're making personalized gifts, intricate 3D paper projects, big banners, or custom decor, Cricut Maker 4 is ready for it all. Like all Cricut machines, Cricut Maker 4 works with our free app Design Space. You can use it on your phone, tablet, or computer, and connect your machine via Bluetooth or USB. Here's how it works. Choose a ready-to-make project, upload your own design, or create something from scratch. Pick your material, load it into your machine, and let your machine do the rest. Then assemble your project and voila, you made it! Some of our favorite real-life projects made with Cricut Maker 4, these leather earrings designed by Anna, the Powerpuff Girls shirt Nikki made, this engraved pet portrait by Tater and Emily, this mirror decal Caroline made for her wedding, this basswood money holder PK made for a fun graduation gift, this adorable tooth cushion by Rainbow Dreams. Once you start using your Cricut Maker 4, your creativity truly has no limits. One of the best ways to make the most of your machine is to purchase a bundle. Not only will this save you a bunch of money, but it takes the guesswork out of getting started, since you'll get a variety of materials, tools, and card making supplies with your machine. You can start playing around with different materials and making different projects right out of the box. So if your crafting style is all about exploring new possibilities and dreaming up future projects, or if you love working with a variety of materials from lace to leather to wood, you'll love what you can do with this machine. Check out the links below for tutorials, tips, and tons of project inspiration. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you make with your Cricut Maker 4.